everyone. You are somebody is finding a way to erase a scar. You people are here sleeping with people's wives, and you are making useless noises like NTDA. It's a scar. It's a scar. You can't erase it. It's indelible. Wherever you go, it goes with you. It's a scar. You are born again. God has forgiven you. But anybody who sees the scar knows who you are. It's a scar. And so I will want to use opportunity. Let me put it like this. Gifted people are attractive. Very gifted people. If PSC Esther came here, we will love her music. We will love, if Diana Hamilton was here tonight, we will love the way she ministers and everything. If Imam Mercy comes here tonight, we will love her. If Joe Metal comes to minister tonight, we will appreciate, because the gift is so active. If my father Francis Kwesi Amwako was here tonight, you will love the oil, the grace, the power of God upon his life. Amwako can tell doctors, discharge the patients, let them come to me, I will heal them. And truly the patients will walk out of the meeting by themselves. That gift is attractive. Should I give the microphone to Sia right now, and then he prophesies to the lady and speak very detailed things about, you will be excited and blessed and happy that at least God thinks about me. But gifted people, when it comes to gifted people, the Lord is using grace. When I am standing here ministering, the grace of God, the mercies of God will be upon me. Because you're born in your remedial channel. You realize that when David, picked up, what's his name? The first wife he snatched was Abigail. The Lord didn't say anything. But after he had sat on the throne, coming to the latter part of his life and ministry, and when he took Bathsheba, killed Uriah, God said, now you have grown, the previous scripture please, you have grown from grace. Now you are in the domain of truth. But show us.